Hi everyone, it's Debbie. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. If you're new here, I'm a reseller. I've been reselling for 17 years, mainly on eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. And today I'm continuing a series where I am showing everything that I do to list an item, from shopping all the way until shipping. So the first part was the haul. The second part was how I research, create drafts, and price items, and now it's time to prep and clean the items and get them ready to photograph and list. The first thing that I do, I make sure all tags are removed. A lot of times I will take those off while I'm creating my drafts. Then I group my items. Which items need to go in the washing machine? Which items need steamed, if any items need repaired. And some items cannot be washed or cleaned, and some items can't even be steamed. But I look at each item as, would I be happy if I received this? Does it smell good? Does it look clean? And is it something that I would be happy if I purchased it and received it? And so that's kind of my guidelines. If I can stick it in the wash, I will. If I can steam it, I will. But some things, it's just not possible. Every once in a while, if something has a lot of value, I will take it to the dry cleaners to be cleaned if it's dry cleaning only. Okay, oh boy, this is a lot of stuff. So I put all the sweaters up on the counter. I put all the shoes up on the counter. I have any of the housewares up on the counter that might need wash. A lot of the jackets, I try to keep them on hangers so that they would stay nice. And then I'm going to sort through all the rest of this stuff. There's a lot of stuff here. So I'm going to sort through all of it, make piles to put in the wash, and then decide which items do need washed, which needs steamed, and if anything needs to go to the dry cleaner. So I will just sort through them now. When I was creating the drafts, I saw this one had a few spots. So when I take it to the laundry room, I'll just use some OxiClean, and I will put, this is a little OxiClean gel stick. I like using that. I will just put that on any spot, and then I'll wash the jeans together, and I'll put the blankets over here. And so I just sort through. This I know needs steamed because it's new with tags. And then this one was brand new, so I'm just going to steam that. So I will just continue sorting through my piles and then take everything to wash. Dry clean only on that one. Wash, 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 wash. Did not find a care tag on this one, so I'm just going to steam it. This one, sadly, I found a few spots on it, but it's worth so much that I think if it's dry clean only, I'll take it to get dry cleaned. Doesn't say. Okay, well, I'm going to try to spot clean it and see if I can get it clean. Have one load started, and I like to use Tide Sport to make it smell really good. I'm going to stain treat my whites, and then look at all of these that I have lined up ready to go. Okay, so I found a couple spots on here, so I'm going to use this OxiClean. I just got it at Walmart. I think it was like $5 or so. It lasts quite a while. And I'm just going to put it on all of the stains, and even if it doesn't come out, that's okay. As long as it is desirable enough, you can just note that. So I guess there's just that one spot, yay. So I'll let that set, and that'll be my last one. And then this is Zara. I'm going to just put a little bit of this on it, and then I'm just going to see if this will take it out. Oh yeah, it's coming right out. Yay! Love that. Okay, the stain is gone. Thank goodness. And then I think I'll just steam this one. Yeah, it came out perfectly. And then I'll just run this under the water, let it air dry. Let me look and see if there's anything else. Oh, there's one at the bottom too. See, look, a little dark spot. So I'm going to do the same thing. Just going to rub it in. Sometimes I'll use Liquid Dawn. Liquid Dawn takes so much out also. Okay, it took it out. It came out perfectly. Yay, so now I will just let it hang to dry and then I'll steam it, and I think it's going to be perfect. Okay, so thank goodness that worked. The stain at the top is gone. The stain at the bottom is gone. I'll just let it air dry and then I'll steam it. So, yay, the stains are out. Going to add them in. I just started the denim wash. Those will go just fine in there. So, okay, next I'm going to steam anything that needs steamed, and I love this steamer, Brie York. A viewer recommended it to me, and I used to really dread steaming items, and now I don't because this one's wonderful. I will have it linked in the description below, but all you do is you have this little lever, and you open this up, and there's a little tab, and you're supposed to fill it up with, I believe, distilled water. But this is reverse osmosis water, which I highly recommend. We live out in the country, and the water is so hard, and it tasted awful. So we got this reverse osmosis filter, and it just goes under the sink. Best water ever. So if you have hard water, I recommend it. I'll have to link that too. Okay, and then you just plug this in. Snap it on, just plug it in and hit the button in the back, and it just takes a minute to warm up, and then we will steam. And one thing I do is I will sometimes put a dryer sheet inside to give it just a really nice good, see how fast that warmed up? And one viewer had said that you can put some kind of fabric freshener inside your steamer. I'll have to pop it up. I keep meaning to pick it up at the store because I think that is a great idea, and I'm going to definitely try that. But okay, so next I'm going to go through, and any of the sweaters that need sweater shaved, I will sweater shave them. And oh my gosh, I got a new sweater shaver, and I tested it out already because the sweater that I got that was just in the What Sold video, the Rosanna sweater, the cheap sweater shaver that I had just didn't work very well. And so I bought a nice one, and wow, what a difference it makes. This is what it is. I'll have it linked down in the description below. Like, I'm not sponsored by it or anything. I just found one that looked really good and ordered it off of Amazon. If you do click on the link and order it, I'll probably get like 5 cents or something though, which is awesome. Like, that makes me excited when I see someone click the link. But it has extra blades, and it has a little cleaning tool. It even has a little bag to store it in, instructions. So this one is so much better than what I had. So I will just go through, and only a couple of them need sweater shave. This is the J. Crew sweater, and it has 2 settings, 1 and 2. this thing. Okay, now anything that needs lint rolled, I will lint roll, and I do not have much. I think just this one suit jacket has some lint. The lint roller really does make a difference. Sometimes I'll buy the really cheap brands for like $1 and they'll just like roll around, or they'll get stuck to the fabric, and I end up using so many more sheets. And so I have found that it is worth it to buy the ones that are a little more expensive. This, I'll pop it at, I just buy it at Walmart, and it lasts a long time. There are a lot of sheets on it, and it works really well. So I save time. And in the back, and then when I'm packaging them, I will also make sure that it is still lint-free. And then once I package it and put it in the plastic, then I feel like it's protected and it will stay nicely. So the key is getting this photographed right away and packaged and listed so it doesn't have time to pick up any more lint. Okay, that looks good. It took 2 sheets. Now, and that's one of the Ralph Lauren jackets that's like silk and cashmere, so definitely worth it to take the time. So see, it got quite a bit off of there. Okay, now I'm going to wash any of the dishes. This is one of them, the crystal bowl. I collected all my tags in it, so I guess I better throw them away now. And usually, I don't mind at all the cleaning and doing all that. I love listening to a podcast, or a lot of times I'll play a YouTube video and watch what sold videos, and so it makes it so that it's enjoyable. Speaking of that, I have a YouTube friend, Real Girl Thrift, that just got to 1,000 subscribers, but she doesn't quite have her hours, so you should check her out. She's so sweet. She's a stay-at-home mom, and her little girl Abby makes appearances, and she is adorable, and I love watching her because I learn Bolo brands every time. She finds amazing items. So if you're looking for someone new to watch, you should check her out, Angie at Real Girl Thrift. And I watch her a lot while I'm doing the cleaning stuff, and it makes the time go by really fast. Okay, so now I'm going to wash all of the items that need washed. A lot of time. A lot of times the things at Goodwill are pretty nice. They don't require a lot of work. I purchased my first sweater shaver on eBay, and it was just a few dollars, and it was okay. I had a sweater that was really taking a lot of work, and so I thought, I want to buy a better sweater shaver. So when I did, I thought, why don't I order 2 and I'll give one away to a viewer. So I ended up making a little box, and if you're still here watching, then I thought I would give this away to somebody. This is the sweater shaver that I purchased, so I just purchased 2. I will have it linked below. I bought it on Amazon, so if you don't win it, but you need a sweater shaver, I really like this one, so I can recommend this. And then Mr. Clean Magic Erasers. I use these all the time, especially on tennis shoes, on the white parts, and so I thought these are very valuable. So I picked up a box of these for somebody. And then dryer sheets. I love dryer sheets. I like putting them in the dryer to just make everything smell fresh and good. And then often when I'm steaming items, if it doesn't smell very good, I stuff it full of dryer sheets and then steam it, and that really helps. And then OxyClean, I love OxyClean, and this is an OxyClean stick that works really well, so I thought I'd put that in there. Then lint rollers are so valuable. I use a lint roller all the time. I have it when I am shipping also. And then I went to get my little scrubber that I use, and I like this one even better because it's more narrow. So I got this one. I think this would be really good for scrubbing the bottom of the shoes. I just thought when I was ordering the sweater shaver, I thought I would like to order one for somebody, and then I thought I'd put together a little thing. So what I'm going to do is I will have it on eBay, and I'll put cleaning kit. This is what the listing looks like. If you just search the title, Cleaning Kit, Love to Shop 242, it should pull it up. Then send an offer to me for 99 cents with your YouTube username. I will accept it. Then if you will go back to the YouTube video and put that you are the person that won it, then everybody will know that it has been claimed, and we'll also get to see who won it. It'll end up costing you like $1 plus tax, so I'll put a couple dollars in there, so it will be completely free to you. So, and I'll send you this little box. So my eBay store is Love to Shop 242. If you're not an eBay person and you're a Poshmark person, I'll have something pretty soon where I will have something for you that's the same type of thing. I just thought that would be fun. The next step that will come out in this series is how I photograph items. So don't forget, if you are not subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell, and you will be notified when I release new videos. And if you received any value from this video, if you wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up, I would appreciate it very much. Thank you so much for watching, and everybody have a great day. Bye.